Welcome aboard, adventurers! Get ready for a captivating journey as our intrepid adventurer, fueled by a mix of excitement and butterflies, takes flight for the very first time. Guided by the anticipation of the unknown and the thrill of the skies, this video chronicles the unfolding story of a novice's maiden voyage. Buckle up and prepare for takeoff, because in this adventure, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Embarking on your first international flight can be an exciting and memorable adventure. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, here's a guide to help you navigate the process. Before you fly, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Check if your destination country requires a visa and apply well in advance. Book your tickets in advance, especially during peak seasons, to secure the best deals and seat availability. Familiarize yourself with the airline's baggage allowance, check-in procedures, and any special restrictions for international travel. Pack light and strategically, ensuring your luggage adheres to the airline's size and weight restrictions. Pack essentials in your carry-on bag for easy access. Plan to arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before your international departure to accommodate check-in, security procedures, and immigration formalities. Check in at the airline counter, hand over your checked luggage, and proceed to immigration. Have your passport and travel documents ready for verification. Pass through security screening by removing your shoes, belts, and jackets, and placing your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt for X-ray inspection. Find your departure date on the airport display screens and allow ample time to board your flight. Next, during your flight, find your assigned seat, stow your carry-on bag, and familiarize yourself with the aircraft's amenities and emergency exits. Take advantage of the in-flight entertainment system, catch up on reading, or simply relax and enjoy the journey. Drink plenty of water to combat the dry cabin air and prevent dehydration. Enjoy the complimentary meals or snacks provided by the airline, or bring your own preferred refreshments. Utilize the aircraft's amenities such as blankets, pillows, and restrooms to enhance your comfort during the flight. Be mindful of fellow passengers, maintain a moderate noise level, and avoid disruptive behavior. Upon arrival. Upon landing, wait for the seatbelt sign to be switched off before gathering your belongings and disembarking the aircraft. Pass through immigration control, presenting your passport and visa if applicable. Proceed to customs and declare any dutiable items you are carrying. Collect your checked luggage from the designated baggage claim area, ensuring your luggage tags match. Arrange your transportation to your final destination, whether it's a taxi, shuttle, or pre-arranged pickup. Additional tips. First, familiarize yourself with the local currency and exchange rates to avoid any confusion during your travels. Second, learn basic phrases in the local language to enhance communication and interactions. Third, research local customs, etiquette, and dress codes to respect the cultural norms of your destination. Fourth, consider purchasing travel insurance to cover unforeseen circumstances such as flight cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. And fifth, embrace the new experiences, immerse yourself in the local culture, and create lasting memories during your international adventure. Remember, your first international flight is an opportunity to broaden your horizons, learn new things, and create lasting memories. By following these tips and preparing adequately, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Until next time, travelers.
Hi, do you want to travel more? Learn incredible tips, comprehensive travel guide, and discover more treasures. Understand foreign culture and ignite the travel spirit within you? Ready to turn your wanderlust into a lifelong skill? Head over to Cashflow Academia to enroll in our courses and embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.